Alright, today we're doing some fried chicken. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just hadn't got around to it. Just give me a piece of this wing here. It's all crispy. You probably can hear it. Woo! Kind of hot. Alright, let's taste it. Oh, you're gonna love this. Okay, so we broke our chicken down. We have the 2 thighs here. We have 2 legs, 2 wings. We have the 2 breasts, nice sized breasts. And we have the 2 chicken tenders. Let's get these bagged up in the marinade. Let's put the thighs in. These have already been washed and prepped. Just gotta put them in the bag. Wings, legs, the 2 chicken tenders. You don't wanna forget those. The 2 breasts, put these in. Alright. Now let's get the marinade ready. So to this we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Just directly into the bag. You don't need much salt, just a little bit. Gonna add some black pepper. And again, all these are to your taste. Turn this around this way so I can get in with the get in. Black pepper. Some granulated garlic. You know me, I love the granulated garlic. And then to that, we're going to add granulated onion. It pairs well with the granulated garlic. Now a little something different, we're going to add paprika. This is smoked paprika. So add a little bit of smoked paprika. Now we're going to add our buttermilk. Buttermilk in there. Get everything nice and mixed up, happy. Now we're going to seal this. And when we seal it, we're going to mix it up nicely. Make sure all the seasonings get incorporated well. Alright, we're going to sit this in the fridge overnight. See you tomorrow. Alright, I wasn't going to do this, but yeah, I changed my mind. You know, the peanut gallery is not going to be happy about this, but I mean, based on past experience, I'm going to be eating more of this than they are. So I'm going to add some hot sauce to this. Just a few shakes, not a lot, because I mean, I still want them to eat it. They're not big fans of hot sauce, but they're going to get used to it today. Seal this back up. And back in the fridge it goes. Alright, see you in the morning, or tomorrow. Alright, now for our dredge, we're going to be using a couple cups of flour. Alright. Paprika. This is smoked paprika, by the way. Black pepper. Granulated onion. Alright. Granulated garlic, of course. A little bit of salt, not much, just a little bit, maybe a half a teaspoon. All right, seal the bag up. We got a good mix. We're basically gonna shake the chicken up in this so we don't have too much of a mess. All right, now we're gonna take our chicken that's been marinating overnight. We're gonna lay on this cooling rack so the excess buttermilk will drain. Got a wing there, a drumstick. Just the wing out of here. Wing. Got a drum. Big old chicken breast. Thigh. The other thigh. Get this other big chicken breast out of here. And we got a chicken tender. There's one more chicken tender in here. There we are. And we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. It won't be completely drained, we're just trying to get the excess off of it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with the wings and the legs and the thighs. We're gonna put these in the bag, we're gonna shake it up, and we're gonna put it in the deep fryer. Yeah, so I'm using my big turkey fryer. I could put all this chicken in here, but there's a method to my madness. I'm doing the heavier bits of meat first. Get those shaken up and fried. And then I'll do the breast and the chicken tenders. Let's get this guy all shook up, mixed up. And these are going to go into the fryer. Shake off the excess seasoning and dredge. And these are going to go in here for roughly 20 minutes. So I will see you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, so I just checked the big piece of chicken. It's been 13 minutes and it's done. Let's pull the rest of these guys out and then I'll give them a check. All right, take my thermopan, give them a check. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're done. So it looks like the sweet spot is 11 and a half, 12 minutes. Gonna add the next batch, be right back. All right, let's get this last batch here. That's flour coating, the seasoned flour. Let's put these in the oil. And we have to keep an eye on them because it's not going to take the chicken tenders that long to cook because it's so small. Okay, so I removed the chicken from the fryer. Let's take a little look-see at it. Yes. I checked the temp with my third pan. It's good to go. Those are some big breasts, Jesus. But yeah, we are ready to go. So I hope you like this recipe. Definitely give it a try. It's pretty simple. It's very flavorful. And that being said, this is Shaw and I am out. I'm about to get in with the get in.